In this video, I will show you how to download iOS 18 public beta on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before updating your iPhone to iOS 18, first update your iPhone to the latest iOS 17 version, which is 17.5.1. Also, make sure to back up your device so that in case anything goes wrong, your data will be safe. To back up your iPhone, open Settings app. Now tap your name at the top, tap iCloud. Now scroll down and tap iCloud Backup. On Backup screen, tap Backup this iPhone toggle button to enable backup to iCloud. Once you take the backup, you can download iOS 18 public beta. Open Safari browser on your iPhone and go to beta.apple.com. Tap Sign in to log in using your Apple ID. Next, accept Apple Beta Software Agreement. Next, tap iOS tab and you should see more information about iOS 18 public beta. Under Get Started, tap blue Enroll your iOS device link. Now go to Settings, then General, tap Software Update. Here you will find an option Beta Updates. Just tap Beta Updates. Now tap iOS 18 Public Beta option. Now go back and on Software Update screen, you will find an option to update iOS 18 Beta. Tap Update Now. Your iPhone reboots and after some time, you should be running the first iOS 18 public beta. So that is how you can download iOS 18 public beta on your iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.